In this video, we're going to cover how you set up a Facebook Business Manager account. You may have already watched our previous video that's how to set up a Facebook business page. These two things are entirely different. A Business Manager account is how you manage your business's presence on the Facebook platform. It's where you communicate a variety of different stuff, and you can schedule posts and grant people access so they can add content or manage your billing or whatever you want them to do. So let's jump into the platform. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this content. And yeah, let's get in and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Right, so the first thing you need to do is go to business.facebook.com. That will take you here, and you need to go down and select create an account and add your login details. Okay, so that should then take you to this section where you want to name your business and account name. So it might be that you've got a Facebook page set up because you've got various different branches. You might have a branch in 3 different towns, and it could be bricks and mortar business place A, business bricks and mortar place B, bricks and mortar place C. But it might just be that you want to name this here bricks and mortar, whatever it might be. Whatever your business name is, something that's going to be relevant. This bit won't be seen by your customers, so it's not so much of a problem. And you want to put your business email address in. So I will put in my business email address. So that's how your business may already have an account. This is where things are going to get a little bit technical, because Lilac James, we've created so many business managers accounts we now can't create anymore. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit submit, and I'm going to take you into our business manager, and I'll show you exactly how you set it up from in there. So you would just click submit here. Okay, so we've gone into the Lilac James test account. So here you can see that you can go in and you can manage your Facebook page from there, the shop front of your business. And down the left hand side here, you can see that you can have a look at all the notifications. So anybody that posts and comments and likes any of your business posts, that's all going to be in here. Your inbox, which is going to be your messenger account, that's all going to be listed in here. There really is so much to this platform, so much that you can do. You can go into your planner here, which is where you can schedule content. Some people get really frustrated by the fact that they have to log into the account every day and post once, twice, whatever they decided to do. Whereas actually this could be a once a month job where you just go in once a month and you schedule all of your posts to go out at different times of the day or week. And in order to have a nice full content calendar. Commerce is where, if you have a product catalog, if you integrate this with Conversion API or your Pixel, this is where your CMS system from your website can pull all of your products through, and you can list them all within the Facebook Commerce Manager, just like that. So dive into this, have an explore, see all the functionality. They've got this all tools function here where there is loads and loads more that you can have a look. So you can talk about your stories, your lives, your account quality, your billing. If you want to link up your credit cards, you'll certainly need to do that when you're running ads, and that's where you're going to download your VAT receipts that your accountant is going to need. You have all your page settings in here, which is going to be really important for, just like it says there, managing all your page roles. So if you want to give somebody access to your account, you want to connect your Instagram and your WhatsApp accounts and anything more associated. So there is so much that you can do. You can see there. So anything you want to find, you will generally find it within the Facebook settings, Facebook Business Manager settings section. You've also got your insights where you can have a look at any sort of trends, any how many people are visiting your Facebook page, and there's just loads. So get in, dive into here. This is where you manage all aspects, but as you've seen, very, very easy to create. That's how you set up a Facebook Business Manager account. We are going to have another video that will follow on from this, which will talk about how we set up an Ads Manager account. An Ads Manager is where you physically manage all of your advertising campaigns within the Facebook platform, and there's so much functionality in there. that goes above and beyond boosting posts and the advertising facility that you have within Business Manager. So do check out that video. We hope you got loads of value from this. Do like and subscribe for more Facebook and marketing content.